Good day, everyone. I'm Janet Mina, and in this section, I'll be discussing Module 9, Part 2B, which covers an essential topic in the field of radio broadcasting, basic radio hardware broadcast equipment for transmission. In this topic, we'll take a closer look at the fundamental equipment used in broadcast transmission from the studio right to the listener's receiver, because understanding how each piece of equipment works together is crucial for anyone interested in creating high-quality broadcast experience. Broadcast equipment for transmission. It consists of specialized devices that allow radio stations to transmit audio signals to a broad audience over designated frequencies. This equipment includes microphones, transmitters, and antenna system. These tools work together to capture audio and adjust sound quality, modulate it for transmission, and broadcast it via radio waves. But since the microphone is included in the broadcast equipment for production, we will only focus on two, which is the transmitter and antenna system. First is the radio transmitter. It is a device that produces radio waves to convey information like audio over long distances. It also amplifies the audio frequency from the console and transmit it to the antenna system. The other purpose of a radio transmitter includes broadcasting audio and visual content for radio and television. It is also crucial for various applications in public safety and other telecommunication services. The second one is the antenna system. Antenna systems are used to broadcast and modulated the signal over a wide area, and it gives out a more efficient radiation and increases the effective coverage of radio station, and in some cases, satellite uplinks are employed for extended range. And let me show you an ABP how this equipment work together to capture, process, and broadcast a sound. And understanding a basic equipment used in radio broadcasting is fundamental to ensuring a high quality and reliable transmission. Thank you for joining me as we explore the essential of broadcast transmission equipment. I hope this discussion has given you a clear understanding of how these systems function to make a radio broadcasting possible. So I know, guys, that this presentation is quite short since the module 8 is quite short din talaga. So as I end my presentation, feel free to leave your thoughts in the comment section on the matters discussed in this report. The discussions is how have technological advancement in broadcast transmission equipment improved the quality and reach of audio broadcast. Again, this is Chanod Mina. Thank you for listening and have a good day.